G'day, welcome back. So as you know, got a lot of rust repair to do on this 1958 Morris Minor. You've seen the new SIG weld MIG welding setup. You've seen the work we've done to cut out all the old rust. Got some new panels on order, and what do we need to actually put them back together and stop them moving about? It's a selection of welding clamps. So I thought I'd just run you through the range that you can get from Supercheap Auto. I've got a range of SCA branded ones, a couple of brand new Tool Pro ones. So yeah, one of those, one of those, one of those, and these hot off the press, these F clamps, Tool Pro F clamps. Got 150mm one here, got a 300mm one here. So yeah, I'll stick them on the car, hold some panels together, get an idea of how they're going to work, and yeah, you'll see them in upcoming videos when we actually put panels and metal back on this thing and get it ready to go down the road. So let's get into it. Here they are in place. I'll start kind of one by one. Got this kind of C-shaped one. You'll notice that the handles are, it's quite a large clamp really. It adjusts like any normal vice grip kind of thing, so you can set your tension in there. It's got quite a fine, relatively fine point of contact down there. Depending on the shape of your work, it's a pretty good setup. Handy if you're kind of clamping within a channel. Yeah, that one there. Nice and solid. Next one. Little flat panel clamp there. Again, quite a big handle. You get a fair bit of tension on there. Covers quite a large area. Good for holding things, clearly. That's what it's for, it's a clamp. Does a good job. Next one's my favourite one. It's called a W clamp. So ideal if you want to, perfect for putting this panel, this boxing panel back in. So you clamp either side of where you want to weld, and then we can weld the spot weld in the middle there. So that's perfect. So I'll get a close up in a minute. Do that one way or the other. You probably want to do it the other way around, make it easier. And then we got our F clamp here. So it's a nice and simple design. Slides up and down that channel. Screw it tight, puts an angle on there, locks it tight. So shush panel. Comes in two different lengths, 150mm, 300mm. Nice and solid. These clamps are all kind of pretty heavy duty. Excuse me. They're going to be ideal for what we're doing. If you wanted to do finer work, you probably want a finer set of clamps, but no, these are nice, big, solid, will hold things nice and tight. Do a great job. So head down to Supercheap, check these out. They're pretty reasonably priced, I think. In fact, I'm pretty sure they're on offer right now. Obviously they won't be on offer by the time you watch the video, but yeah, cool little clamps, come in handy for holding stuff in place whilst we weld it. And there we go. Look out for them in upcoming videos.